Suvarkkan. We're very happy that you've come to the interview today because you are one of the students who went to Fuerteventura together with other students from our school, the Leopold Hesch Vocational College, we have to say, in Dortmund. We wanted to ask you about your experience, and I will ask you some questions now.
Yeah.
First of all, what did you do in Fuerteventura?
I did many things, such as doing with friends, making party, going to the institution in Fuerteventura, and visiting David Cortias.
Mm-hmm.
He came. He is the founder of the company. It calls Arduino.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And he wants to gives presentation about his life, what he is doing, what is good to be a designer, and he take a small look at the job of designer.
Mm-hmm.
And that's also.
What does he design? Arduino? What is that exactly?
Arduino is mostly a robot that we can build and we can construct it otherwise, and it is also we can make circuits.
Mm-hmm.
And by electricity, and it has also some building plans, how to build that, and we have to think the next big thing. That is the most important for David Cortias.
Mm-hmm.
And that's also what we have to do in different groups.
Okay, so what has Arduino, the system, then to do with this project?
We can do with people with handicaps, we can work with that technically and help them. And we can also help our old people that they are, and with people who has handicap, we can help them. Or we can do some life hacks, such as like an artificial arm, and that we can holding a pen, for example, or holding a pencil case, and it is mostly some small and basically robot creation. What we are working.
Good. So you don't take that whole robot, you take that just the basis of it, the Arduino system, and then what is the task? What do you do in your international team?
The most important is we have to do some teamwork. We give some tasks to them, what we have to do, first of all. And secondly, we have to do some technically understanding. And sometimes we have a problem with languages. They speak Spanish, the others speak Finnish, and we speak German, and the Norwegian speaks Norwegian. And it is also, what I can say, it is also some difficult to understanding with us. Sometimes they speak with Spanish word I can't understand with them, and it is not so difficult, but the understanding is very difficult. But the Spanish people are also cooperating to themselves, and the Finnish people are also cooperating with themselves, also the Finnish guys, and we Germans also.
But in the groups you worked internationally, or not?
Yes, of course. Sometimes I also speak Spanish, just a little bit, but I have to make a building plan for them, and then they know how to build that.
Oh, good. So with the drawing, there's another way of communication? Yeah. Oh, good.
Technical drawing is also important.
Oh, how did you do that?
First of all, I have to do with I have to draw for the gaming controller what David Curtius gave us as a task.
Yes, Dorothee told us about that. Yeah.
Yes. I can, if they are not understand this, I will draw for them and I will explain them in English, and then they know, oh yeah, thanks Khan, it is very good, and and it is also good.
Good. And then did you use a computer, or because I thought you tried to?
The next day we used a computer for designing.
Oh wow, that's very interesting. I think.
Of course it is interesting.
Good. So what will the robot be? What will the robot do that we are building now in 4 different international teams? What shall it be?
It is for the environment. It is most important because some turtles will eat some plastic trashes and or cans, and then we have to build some a robot car that can also take some plastic cans or aluminium cans or plastic bag.
Yes.
And it is very, very important because our environment will become more worse, and it is not good for us. If we are standing on a beach and see many plastic bags, it is not good.
No.
This causes ugly for me.
That's true. How do you know about the waste on the beaches there in Fuerteventura or anywhere in the world? How do you know that there is waste? Have you seen it?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I seen that, and I thought, oh, it is not in Germany the island, but it is also different. The waste is. It has more sand, and in Germany we haven't got more sand, but more plants.
What do they do in Fuerteventura because they have tourism? What do they do there so that people enjoy the beach? I think you made some experience there as well.
Yeah, I made the cultural experience. What the Spanish people are introducing themselves, how they when time they are eating, what they are eating.
Yes, different, very different to Germany.
Yeah, it is also how do I call that? It is not normal for me because I'm from Germany. We're making no kisses with others here.
Did you like that? All this kissing there?
No.
I thought you might like it.
No, but it is also different.
That's different. True. No, I mean let's go. That's very important experience, of course.
Yeah.
Cultural differences. But let's go back to the beach again. How do you know? What did you do on the beach? I think there was another very interesting activity that you did there, or not?
Like swimming. I swim there, and it were a couple dolphins, and they are jumping over the sea, and I saw the people who is playing football or beach volleyball. It is very good.
But what do they do to keep the beaches clean? I think you.
Yeah, for the beaches clean, we take some plastic bags for to do some.
Who did that? Just you? Or what?
Not only me, but also the people, Dorothy and the Spanish classmates, and also the Norwegian and Finnish people.
So you all together went to the beach and collected the waste and the plastic to see what it is and how much it is. Yes.
Not each Saturday we can take that plastic bags. That's the reason why we built a robot car.
What was the best experience that you had there when you were in Fuerteventura?
The best experience is to make a party with the Spanish people, and also the beach, the landscape. Oh my gosh, the mountains over there, and so many goats. I like goats. That's my favorite animal.
Yeah, good.
And it is such as like a paradise in Fuerteventura.
I think so.
I recommend each and everybody who's going to Gran Canaria. They have to look the sights They must look the landscape.
Or is there anything that you didn't like very
No,
much? Or
no.
something we should change?
Of course not.
No? Everything was perfect to you?
Everything is very, very perfect.
Very good. Okay, and I hope you enjoy working in your teams again, because now you have to start building more about the robot, yeah? And I hope you have a lot of fun in this course that we are doing at the school now with your classmates. And I hope you can keep the contact, because that's also important. How do you keep the contact to those people?
By WhatsApp, by Snapchat. We're snapping from Germany. Hey, I'm doing this party in Germany. I'm at the Dortmunder U, or I'm in Berlin. And they say, oh, they will become enthusiastic. They will become, oh, I will go to Germany. I will go from Norway to Germany. I will want to live there.
Good.
And that's,
oh, good.
That's
wow,
really,
that's something very new to me.
and that's good.
Yeah. So you're looking forward to them coming over in May?
Yes, of course. I have many Spanish friends there. I have many Finnish friends in there, and also the Norway friends.
Good. Thank you very much, Suvarkkan. You've done this really well. We're very happy about this interview. And and we'll see what the project will bring to the whole school and everybody in future.